I'm Brianna Davis with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. You might notice things look a little bit different than the last time you saw us on Job of the Week. But just to maintain social distancing and keep everyone safe, we are doing our Job of the Weeks virtually from now till the future. So now that all that's out of the way, I'd like to introduce you to my friend, Dr. Kurian. She's here from the Mental Health Department. Hi, Dr. Kurian.
Hi, Brandy. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Great.
Dr. Kurian's here to talk to us about a job. What job are you here to talk to us about today, Dr. Kurian?
So I'm here to discuss the Public Health Administrator position within the Communicable Disease Division at Metro Health.
Oh, okay. The public health administrator position, that sounds like a very important job. And with everything going on in the public health sphere, I can't imagine everything that a role would have to entail. Can you tell us a little bit more about this position?
So this position will be, like I said earlier, it'll be housed within the Communicable Disease Division, which comprises of 5 diverse programs. We have immunizations, TB, epidemiology, STD, and lab services. And this position will primarily be responsible for the overall supervision of the immunology and the TB section or TB branch of the Communicable Disease Division at Metro Health.
Oh, okay. Well, those are very important teams to be in charge of, and it sounds like it's a big team. Approximately how many people are on this team with all the different divisions?
So all of the Communicable Division, we have about 146, giving a give and take, depending upon which time of the year you look at this. And TB and immunizations are quite big, with about 25 plus staff in each of these programs.
Oh my. So I would imagine that for this role, you're looking for someone who is not only well-versed and very experienced in public health and in overseeing, communicable diseases and things like that, but also someone who is a strong, very good leader and supervisor as well.
Absolutely. So they will be, although they'll be spending most of their time working closely with these, with the immunization and TB program managers to oversee the development and implementation of these programs. They will be responsible for keeping tabs or keeping up with the constantly changing state federal guidelines as it pertains to TB and immunization program. And of course, they will be, the program managers will be primarily responsible for keeping up with these changing guidelines. But the PHA position is responsible for working closely with these program managers in providing those overall supervision and oversight to this program. So the ideal candidate need absolutely to possess leadership and strategic thinking skills, and the ability to see the big picture itself. Excellent communication skill, it's an absolute requirement for this role. And a variety of soft skill is also important for this role. It could include ability to manage or motivate teams, very important, handle delegate responsibilities effectively among the teams, listen to and act on feedback, display flexibility to solve problems, and we have problems pretty much every single day in the world. So we are a pretty dynamic workforce, and so this person has to have a general awareness of what public health is. Doesn't necessarily need to be a subject matter expert, but have to have a general awareness of what we do in the public health world. And of course, it goes without saying, this candidate need to exemplify the City of San Antonio's core values that we are constantly looking for and striving for to achieve, which is teamwork, innovation, integrity, and professionalism at all times.
You've shared such great information with us about this position. Is there anything else you want to share with us about the Metro Health Department overall, just so that applicants can get a kind of a feel of what it's like to work in the Metro Health Department?
So Metro Health is the local public health department. It's an exciting, dynamic, multidisciplinary department where people are constantly working every day to protect and improve the community, the health of the community. And now more than ever, it is imperative that we find an individual that is really passionate about public service, public health and willing to step up to serve their community during this public health crisis.
Oh, absolutely. Well, Dr. Kieran, I mean, you've shared such great information with us about the position. I think you've hit on everything. We've talked about a little bit about mental health and what's going on with them. You've shared great details about the position, this position specifically, the team they'd be leading, how they'd be interacting, and things like that. Is there anything else you'd like to share with our viewers before we wrap things up?
No, don't wait to apply. Like I said, these are exciting times, and we are looking forward to somebody who is really interested in public health and working closely with a large team, people person with great social skills, social and communication skills.
Yes,
Thank you.
skills, communication skills, soft skills, all essential. We need the technical and the non-technical skills to thrive and be most effective in this position. Well, in addition to all of the great information that Dr. Kurian shared with us about this position, the ideal candidate should also have at least a bachelor's degree, 5 years of public health administration experience, 3 years of supervisory experience, just because you will be leading a sizable team. And of course, we would love it if the selected candidate had a master's degree in public health or public administration and at least 5 years of experience in quantitative analysis, investigation, control, or prevention of communicable diseases. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position and you want to join our dynamic mental health team in the public administrator position in the communicable diseases area, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers to apply. Also, if you like this video, I encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next time.